What's going on, guys? Bruce here, Bullish Currency, back at you with another Truebit update, guys, and hidden gem for sure. And as you can see, things are looking good, but is it too early to get too excited? Look, before we get into the good news, the bad news, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because you definitely want to get these Truebit updates. And as always, guys, everything we share here, it is just entertainment education. It is not financial advice, but you do whatever you want to do and make your own decisions. But make sure you do your own due diligence, guys. Don't just buy something because someone's talking about it. Be really smart out there. Be careful out there in these crazy crypto spaces. But without further ado, let's get right into it because there are profits to be made and we can't waste time here because time is money, baby. So here we go. Truebit is looking good, guys. 15% up, well, almost 16% up, 58% increase in the trading volume, 24-hour. Now, of course, you know, the fact that everything's green here is already a positive, already a good sign. I doubt there's any news going on. You know, there really is ever any news for Truebit. And as you can see, despite this decline in holders that had us a little bit worried, I guess you could say a little worried, now we start to see the increase again in holders. Not much of a big increase, but we got an increase. We're back to being bullish on the holder side, and that's actually a good sign. That's a great sign to get back to being bullish on the holder side. So now, of course, you already know my favorite part is the chart analysis. And because there is no, actual news or anything like that, we might as well just jump right into the chart analysis. And look at this, guys. See, we were up here at one point at our last high. It gave us multiple chances and multiple confirmations for us to pull out, for us to take some profits, to add to take profits, to claim profits along the way. And as you can see, it made its correction all the way down to the 618 area, which is expected. It happens in crypto. You see these 30 to 80% retracements all the time. Typically in crypto, you will see a 50 to 80% retracement, more than a 30% retracement, but 30% retracements happen as well. So as you can see here, we are actually starting to break through some very important key areas. Now I could draw a line here to show you a level that we're actually breaking through right now. That's very important. As you can see, it is breaking through this area right here. And if it does break through this area right here, there's really nowhere else to go besides here and then up here to 67 cents and then maybe about 60 cents. 60 to 67 cents will be the next stop for it. But, nothing just goes up forever. I think, we can see some, retracements. We can see it. Maybe if it does break through, it'll push up maybe 60 to 67 cents and then come back down to touch and retest one more time before continuing to get back to where it was. But as of right now, floating at 57 cents and having a solid increase in the last 24 hours. I mean, we literally had bullish patterns forming down here telling us that this was it. It's time for us to push. And, you saw this start to break through here, and you could have definitely looked at it as a spot to be worried. But if you look to the left, there was another level right here. So ultimately, I was keeping my eye on it just to see what would happen. And we had some bullish patterns form here, and then literally from right here to solid support area. After getting the bullish patterns, we saw the bullish move happen as expected. Let's check the 2-hour time frame and see if the patterns are more clear. Yeah, we definitely have some clear patterns down here, and we really want to see if the 4-hour candle breaks. Let's check the 1-hour candle. Yeah, so the 1-hour has a whole bunch of good stuff, whole bunch of good patterns down here that I easily recognize without even drawing them now. And yeah, we need to definitely push up more in order for it to clearly break that level so that we can really believe it's going to start pushing back up to the previous levels, the previous high that it made not too long ago. But nonetheless, we have a great sign. I think Truebit is a very underrated coin, and it's so useful. I'm still just shocked that it's not just exploding, because it's a very useful coin. It's a very good technology. Let's take a look at the daily candles. Look at that. That is a strong daily candle, guys. I mean, that can close. If that can close breaking through this level, it's already peeking through it, but if it could break through it, smash through it, and close like that, that would be a phenomenal indication for us, confirmation for us to continue bullish. Okay, so we definitely want to keep our eye on that candle. Man, it's looking good though. I'm sure everybody in the Truebit community is happy right now because maybe for some they worried a little bit when we saw this candle right here. It did get me a little worried, but when you waited for that next candle immediately, you saw that it broke back in and we came back into this range, which is great. We want to get back in this range here and then eventually back up there. So we got a lot more space to continue, a lot more space to grow. And Truebit hasn't been recognized by the masses yet. So when that does happen, you know, we can see it definitely return to its previous all-time high, which is still a significant gain from where it's at. We're talking about a nice, you know, double up, almost triple up type of scenario from where it is at the moment. And that is just phenomenal, right? We like investments like this where the project's legit, the technology is legit, might not have an ability for you to check what the developers are doing and stuff like that. It might not be much out there for news wise, but the technology itself is very useful. And I think it's a matter of time before somebody implements it. But another thing that could happen is someone just invents their own type Truebit type technology and that becomes famous before Truebit. Who knows? Really, it's all about marketing. These are community-based driven tokens. So the community needs to speak louder, needs to talk more, needs to be out there more for Truebit. And then it could grow faster. I'm doing my part, making my videos, guys. I'm a true believer in Truebit. And I got in really early. So I'm very happy with what the decisions I made with this project to take it serious. But yeah, this is where we are, guys. We're looking good right here. We want to see how this candle closes. Is it going to break? And if it does, we are looking at some exciting times ahead with a lot of these coins that we've been talking about recently. And look, there's so many other coins that I'm invested in, guys, that I haven't made videos about because there's just too many coins and too many videos to make, right? And I'm in a day. But I'm going to try my best to produce more videos and have more people on my channel producing videos. I do have a team that will be dropping videos here as well to contribute because there's more coins that we are invested in that we should make videos about that are making good moves, that are great projects. So definitely will be producing more and more as time goes on. But that's it for today's Truebit update, guys. Keep your eye on this daily candle. It's looking phenomenal. I know you're happy just based on just the last couple of videos you saw from where we are, from where we were to where we are right now. Phenomenal, significant gains and amazing 30% plus gains from where it was down here to where it is now. Until the next video, guys, stay blessed and stay bullish.